Today, I will guide you on how to change information in bulk on TikTok accounts. The purpose of this is to make your accounts look more like real users. This is the interface of the software. As you can see, I am managing nearly 2,000 accounts, and the ban rate is very low. Each account is assigned a separate proxy, and all accounts have usernames and display names that look like real users. So how can we change information for all these accounts in bulk? First, I will log the accounts into the software. Click on Add Account, then copy your account file and paste it here. The format usually includes username, password, and email. Choose the category where you want to store these accounts, then click More. Next, select all the accounts, right-click, and choose Login All. Alternatively, you can directly proceed to change their information, but I do not recommend doing that. Because these accounts have no activity history, making bulk changes immediately can easily lead to bans. To make the accounts look more like real users, you need usernames, display names, profile pictures, and ideally bios. For this, I used ChatGPT to generate a list of names and Pinterest to download profile images. Simple, right? Then go back to the software, click on Account function, choose Change Account Information. For changing avatars, select the image files you prepared. Enter the names and usernames accordingly. To avoid duplicate names or avatars across accounts, check the option Accounts do not change duplicate information. Once everything is set up, select the accounts you want to modify and click Start. The software will automatically run the process for you.